dinnersdishesanddeserts.com, and today I'm going to make a festive drink for the holidays. We are going to make a Cranberry Moscow Mule. It is served in a copper mug for a fun and festive drink you can serve to your partygoers or just on a Friday night. The Moscow Mule was originally popular in the 1940s, and it was a way for bartenders to get rid of vodka, because vodka was not very popular back then. Who knew? So now we are going to use it in this Moscow Mule. You want to make sure you're using a vodka that you like the flavor of, because there's not that many ingredients, so the flavor will stand out. We're also going to use cranberry juice and ginger beer. There are so many different ginger beers on the market, you just have to find one that you like the flavor of. Once you find one, just buy that, have it in your pantry, and you can make this any night of the week. We're going to garnish with fresh cranberries and a sprig of rosemary just to make it festive. Let me show you how easy it comes together.